Hey everybody, I'm Zoe with Orchid Media. Today I'm going to be showing you what kinds of websites are compatible with Wix templates. So first of all, you will want to go to Wix if you're going to choose Wix, and you'll just sign up, and then it's going to take you to the screen. It's going to say what kind of website are you creating. For the sake of this, I'm going to say we're creating an online store. It's going to get specific if I click on it again. It's going to say what kind of store, what kind of online store, and you can see all the different options. But for the sake of it, I'm going to just say an accessory store. But you can see, there was a drum store, there was a chocolate store. The options are really endless. And let me go back actually, because I want to show you. It's just like you hit portfolio, you can do journalist portfolio, PR, writing, digital art, game design. It's really great for lots of things. I personally love Wix. I use Wix for all my design clients, unless they have a very strong opinion for something else, then of course we'll do that. But I just personally really enjoy Wix. I think it's a great software and very user-friendly. So I'm going to do online store, and then I'm going to say it's an online, where did it go? Online accessories store. Perfect. So we're going to hit next. What's the name of your store? I'm going to say Totes by Us, just for the sake of it. This is where you'll put your name. And then here you'll say it'll say, what do you want to add to your website? It's recommending that I add, of course, an online store, chat, forums, an Instagram feed. I think I'm going to keep all of those, and then it'll also suggest a blog, bookings, events, portfolio, you name it. Personally, I don't think I'll need anything else other than maybe a pricing plan. So I'm going to select pricing plan. I won't need table reservations, but you can see, like, if you're a restaurant, table reservations, food orders, restaurant menus, this is awesome. So, but for the sake of what I'm going to do, for the simplicity of it, we'll just do pricing plans. And then when we get here, it's going to ask, it's suggesting if we want to do, this is just a little more complex without getting into any of the jargon of it. So I wouldn't recommend this if you're just getting started. And a website generator is going to be pretty generic. I like to be able to customize my website, so I'm just going to hit start now. So once I hit start now, we're going to see it's going to show us all the online accessory stores, like the basic templates. I'm going to see one that I, maybe like something about. This one's Totes, which is like, these images are going to change, so I try not to look at the images of it, but more the general layout, like where the logo is. I don't love this one. It's very simple. It's a store. But even though it has what my product is, I'm not going to choose that one per se. When I am in the apps, what am I saying? Sorry, excuse me. When I am still in the online accessory stores, I see this one, and I like this one a lot because of the logo that's clear up here. It has the social icons and the many different pages that I'm going to want in the search bar as well. Knowing that I'm going to change it, it doesn't matter too much about the color scheme and things like that, but I just like, the general layout, and this means I won't have to do too much with it. But just going and looking at all the different other kinds of templates for online stores, they've got a slime factory, they've got shoes, let's see, and for creatives, they've got, events and portraits, a band, performing arts, personal, a vlog, online education, community classes and courses, nonprofit, religion, all sorts of things, and weddings as well, and blogs. It's great for blogs. So if you're considering a Wix website, I highly, highly recommend a Wix website. Wix is compatible with most brands, and it's just so user-friendly. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe and follow along for more Wix website tips. See you next time.